Simple one today. I'm doing a donation. So what would have been a $1,200 job is a free job. That's going to be a little tax write-off for my church. This is, I forget what they call it. It's the pastor's house. No one lives here currently. The pastor's got a better place than what's needed right here. So it's vacant currently, but it does need to be cleaned. And they asked if I could install some guards. So I'm going to be installing these. These go a little bit under the shingle and then hooked to the front lip per normal. These are made by Valor. You can find them on Amazon, called Superior gutter guards. They're a little bit different press on them, but it's the same thing, same people. They come in 3-foot sections instead of 4. But I'm going to be putting this up. It's about 125 feet and it's 1 story up. It's super simple. Should not take long at all. Time on deck is 12:20. I bet I'll be done before 1:30. Maybe sooner than that, but definitely before 1:30. Definitely. Looks pretty good to me. Try not to breathe too hard this time. I don't know how to do that less. There we go. Now we're going. Perfect. That'll be quick. All right, now got them all cleaned out, sprayed them out. Super easy. The yard's not cleaned up or nothing, so not a big deal to just spray the leaves out. But you got to clean. Start from the back corner into the end, and you got 3 more runs over here. One over there, one connected one over there, connected one over here. Should be super easy. Parsonage, that's what it's called. Now what I'm going to do here is I've gotten this far, but in order to make sure I don't have a weird end piece, I'm going to now move over to the end, make my little fold, and that way I can have a weird piece more in the middle. And inside the run, not the middle, but yeah, so now I'm going to trim an end piece. Ouchie. Yeah, you're gonna want to be careful. These little mesh screens will stab the heck out of you. I think I'm good. I don't think I got, but I didn't feel like it was gonna be good. Boom. Now I don't gotta worry about it. I'm just gonna take 3-ish more pieces. Slack a little bit. Get stabbed while I do this. Looks like I'm gonna have just enough screws to get this done. I was getting worried I was gonna have to climb back down just to grab a handful of screws. Yeah, I got 4 left. Just enough to finish that because I got that little run over there done. All right. There. Now Wes has done it right. Nobody will believe me, but I told them that. That's a joke. Cut that out, probably. That's a bad joke. Literally my last screw. And we're done. Woo. Well, I got it done. Finished 128. Finished cleanup at 133. So I thought I'd move a little quicker than that, but apparently I'm not moving as quick as I thought I would. Wasn't too bad. Yeah. Wasn't too bad. Went pretty quick. About an hour of my time. And I get to donate to my church, to the parsonage. And I get to write that off on my taxes, which coincidentally worked out perfectly dollar-wise. I didn't know this when I quoted it, but for the price of the guards, it came out to, with install, $1,200 would have been the whole scope. And so took a donation line item that reduced it negative $1,200, and then boom, clean, no tax, no nothing. And I looked it up as I was leaving after quoting this, and I saw on Google, I don't know if it's 100% right, but I saw on Google that you can only deduct up to $600 as a small business, or up to 50%, whichever one doesn't exceed 600 bucks. And 50% of $1,200, 600 bucks. So it worked out perfect. And I swear IRS, that wasn't on purpose. So yeah, just worked out pretty good. Got to do a nice thing. I'm glad to help whenever I can. And now I'm putting it on video, so I guess it's not too humble, but it's going on YouTube.